Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Avalanche Facts. Today, we are witnessing history in the making. A revolution is unfolding in the heart of Africa, and the world needs to pay attention. Burkina Faso is saying no to dependency, no to foreign aid, and yes to self-sufficiency. And at the center of it all, one name, Captain Ibrahim Traoré. This is not just another news story. This is a movement. A declaration of independence in the most critical battlefield, food security. And it all starts in the breathtaking plains of Banzone. Look at this. These fields are not just growing crops, they are growing a future. For too long, Africa has depended on foreign wheat and rice, importing millions of tons when we have the land, the labor, and the skills to grow our own. But under the leadership of Captain Ibrahim Traoré, Burkina Faso is saying no more. Back in 2024, Traoré made a game-changing decision. 400 tractors were purchased to supercharge food production. And today, we see the results. The Banzone Plains, covering 450 hectares, have dedicated 100 hectares to wheat. This is a first in Burkina Faso's history. This is agricultural liberation. For decades, Africa has been fed the lie that we cannot feed ourselves, that we must rely on imports to survive. But look at this. Look at the vibrancy of these fields. This is proof that Africa can and will feed itself. And the impact? It's bigger than just agriculture. Thousands of jobs have been created, from farming to transportation to food processing. Markets are buzzing with activity, and local farmers? They are thriving. Don't take my word for it, listen to them. The people are united behind this vision. Even the governor of the Hauts-Basin region, Madame Mariama Konate-Nianou, witnessed it firsthand. She saw wheat plants at their spawning stage, a testament to the dedication of local farmers. And this is just the beginning. Because guess what? Les Moulins du Sahel, one of the largest wheat flour production companies, has committed to buying all wheat produced this season. Burkina Faso is creating its own supply chain. Imagine a Burkina Faso that no longer imports staple foods. Imagine an Africa where every country follows this example. This is the future. But let's pause for a moment. Because this goes beyond food. This is about national pride. This is about breaking free from the chains of foreign dependency. This is about proving to the world that Burkina Faso is in control of its destiny. Think about the young people who now have jobs. Think about the families who can now eat nutritious meals at lower costs. Think about the businesses that no longer rely on expensive imports. This is economic transformation. And the leadership behind this? Incredible. Captain Ibrahim Traoré is not just making promises. He is delivering. His policies are not just words. They are actions reshaping Burkina Faso's economy before our very eyes. Before we proceed, here is a kind reminder to like and subscribe for more fascinating stories from around the globe. Let's continue. And there's more. With local production increasing, we are reducing our carbon footprint. No more massive emissions from importing wheat across the ocean. This is a sustainable, environmentally friendly future for Burkina Faso and Africa as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Burkina Faso is setting the standard. Africa is rising. And the world better take notice. This is the new Africa. This is the future. If you believe in Africa's independence, in our power to rise, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more groundbreaking updates. Avalanche Facts will be here to bring you the truth. The revolution is now, and it's just getting started. Burkina Faso is rising. Africa is rising. And the world better watch.